Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, May 18th, and these are your bell ringer problems. We've got problems 9 through 12 to take a look at today. All right, so number 9, we need to do 2 divided by 3.5. 2 divided by 3.5. So I'm going to just do a little work here. I'm going to turn this 2 into a fraction, and then I'm also going to do my loop-de-loop and turn 3.5 into an improper fraction. So I have 2 over 1 divided by 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 halves. But I know that that turns into a multiplication problem, so I'm going to have 2 over 1 times 2 over 7. And then I'm going to just go ahead and multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. And so 4 sevenths is our final answer. 4 sevenths. And 4 sevenths cannot be reduced. Alright, on number 10, we needed to take a look at 7x equals 56. So we have to understand that this means 7 times x equals 56. So I'm thinking about, in my head, what times 7 equals 56? Or what is 56 divided by 7? Either way, I know that x is going to equal 8. Alright, and then for number 11, I have 28.3 minus 12.98, or 28 3/10 minus 12 98 hundredths. I go ahead and add my place filler in there, and now I'm just going to subtract like normal. Can't take 8 from 0, can't take 9 from 3, so I can borrow from this 8, change it into 7, 13, change it into a 12, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 12, 11, 10, 9, that's 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then I bring my decimal straight down, so I get 15 and 32 hundredths. Okay, and then we have 6.5 tons. How many pounds are in 6.5 tons? And I know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So I'm going to do 2,000 times 6.5 is the same as, or 6.5 is the same as saying 6.5. And so I'm just going to go ahead and multiply that. So 5 times 0 is 0, 0, 0, and then 10. Add a 0. 0, 0, 0, and then 12. Go ahead and add it up. 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, and 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 decimal place, so I can see that that is actually 13,000 pounds. 13,000 pounds. Alright, and then I have problem number 5 and 6 to take a look at today. So problem number 5, which name describes these figures? Are they all rectangles? No. Are they all squares? No. Are they all polygons? Are they all hexagons? No. So they must be all polygons. Remember, a polygon is any closed figure with straight lines, and all of those fit that definition. Okay, and then number 6, what kind of sides do rectangles have? Parallel segments and no perpendicular segments. So that means that they only have parallel segments. Well, I know that's not true. Perpendicular segments and no parallel segments, so they only have segments like this, and I know that that is not true. No parallel segments, no perpendicular segments, that's not true, and so they do have parallel segments and perpendicular segments because these would mean parallel and perpendicular. Okay, so I know that that's C, and then my hashtag is hashtag 5 days. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make them good ones.